Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Grammarly application on your iOS device. To download and install Grammarly on your iOS device, first of all, go ahead and head over to the App Store from your app drawer and tap on it. Now make sure to bring up the search box at the top and type in Grammarly. In the search result, look for this application from Grammarly Inc. and then tap on the Get button or the Download button in order to start installing the app. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to confirm. The app will start downloading. Once it is done, tap on the Open button to open the app. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed Grammarly application on your iOS. Now that you have Grammarly on your iPhone, you can use it across your apps to improve your writing, from text messages to emails and notes. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Apps Academy for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.